out into the garden today for games, and we're going to do some target practice. So when you're playing any type of sport, you need to make sure all of your throws are on target as best you can. So we've decided to put lots of different targets up around in the garden, and you can use a tennis ball, a netball, whatever ball you have. If it's a ball of socks, that's also fine, and you are going to try and throw and hit your targets. Okay, have a look. We've got lots of different things that we can try and hit. You're going to have 10 attempts at hitting the target, and then if it's too easy, make it more difficult and do it 10 more times. Be inventive. If you have stairs, you can bounce the ball down the stairs to try and hit a target at the bottom. So you can change it however you want to. If you want to throw the ball against the wall to then catch and then turn and throw to your target, that's fine. If you want to throw it up in the air and clap and catch and then throw it to your target. Have fun everyone, just being imaginative and enjoy it. Try and get outside.